We have new details tonight on an election lawsuit in Ramsey County. The suit alleges the Democrat who won doesn't actually live in the district that includes Roseville.
It is a case that could affect the balance of power at the Capitol. Jennifer Hoff is here with more on what happened today. Jennifer?
Chris, there was a court hearing for the first time that included dozens of pieces of evidence compiled by Curtis Johnson's Republican opponent, Paul Wickstrom, who is now asking that the election results be overturned.
At the Ramsey County Courthouse, cameras are only allowed outside, but inside a mini trial of sorts played out for hours that had lawyers submitting evidence and examining witnesses in the case of whether newly elected Democratic Representative Curtis Johnson actually lives in House District 40B. The district includes parts of Roseville and Shoreview, but not nearby Little Canada, where property records show Johnson primarily lives, who in March reportedly also got an apartment inside the boundary. But Johnson's Republican opponent, Paul Wickstrom, filed a lawsuit alleging he can prove Johnson doesn't live there, despite state law requiring candidates to live in the district they want to represent 6 months before the election. The suit claims Wickstrom's campaign team took pictures and videos of Johnson's whereabouts from August to November, sometimes every day, noting his car regularly parked at the house, even calling customer service to confirm the apartment lacked power, internet, and cable. If Johnson is disqualified before the session starts next month, it could break the tie in the House, giving Republicans a temporary majority, even though Johnson won 65% of the vote.
There were a lot of tie chambers that happened. It wasn't uncommon. It wasn't rare.
Mari Henderson leads a nonpartisan organization tracking how legislatures conduct business and says until now, a tie hasn't happened across the country in nearly a decade.
The rules are there to make sure that no matter who is in power in a legislative chamber, there is still business being done in an effective and legal way.
It has been widely reported that Johnson said he plans to sell that home in Little Canada and got the apartment while he and his wife search for a new one. But at the hearing, neither side would answer any of my questions. Wickstrom is also now asking for a special election, which can be held at various times of the year. Chris?
All right, I guess we'll have to wait and see on this one. Thanks, Jennifer.